Hi, I'm Molly, welcome back to my YouTube channel. We are just about to head off to the Pistonheads meet at Oxford, so come with us.
So my dad was coming with us in his WC50 and I of course was taking my mini challenge to 10, and because you can bring dogs we were bringing along our dachshund Lily, and en route we were meeting my friend Tom, who you might have seen his LCI mini electric in the bright green on my YouTube channel before. We met him en route.
I'll just give it a easy Instagram. What's going on here? Why the hell are you that close to my face?
Later on with the follow-on.
Hello.
I absolutely love this. This is brilliant.
Thank you. Do I need to
We've got fantastic. There we go. That is all done. So for minis, you want to turn right and turn right again. Minis will go
Okay,
in.
amazing, thank you.
Morning.
You want to go round to the right, please?
Thank you. So we just got handed a 25 years sticker because it's 25 years since Modern Mini, and then we just got a leaflet for some promotion. So we just got here and we've managed to get some free spaces together as it's really busy. We came about 9:30, it started at 9, so it started to die down a little bit, so we're just going to have a look around and see who's here.
So I've been to a Pistonheads Sunday service before, so it was really great to get back to one. If you're not familiar, this is the Mini factory in Oxford in the UK, and they do tours there, but only in the week, not the weekend. I thought there was a real good variety there. I mean, at any mini show, you're always going to see lots of three-door hatchbacks because that's Mini's bread and butter. You are starting to see more of the F66 shape Mini, which of course is the newest shape Mini, which again, some people love, some people aren't a fan. But I think with any new model, it kind of grows on you over the years, and it's really interesting to see what people do modification wise, and there was plenty of them in attendance to have a look at. Modern Mini wise, of course, that's anything after 2001 because, of course, Mini this year are celebrating 25 years since the Modern Mini. So there were plenty of Modern Minis in attendance. There weren't that many Countrymans, Pacemans. You tend to get that really at any mini meet. It tends to be more the hatchbacks that you tend to see. And classic wise, there were a few classics in attendance. There probably could have been more there, to be honest. It was a sunny day, but obviously with classics, you don't want it to be too warm and you definitely don't want any rain. So there probably could have been some more classics there, but there were definitely a few spread around, which was really nice to see. It's always really interesting as well when Mini do a special edition like a GP, and you've got a really special edition car, and then you pull up and there's one exactly the same next to you. So there was a couple of GP3s. Really interestingly, there was a couple of GP1s because you don't always see them around that often. And I think there was just one or two GP2s. So it's really nice to see plenty of the GP models in attendance. And then, of course, there was some really great modified cars as well, which were really interesting to have a look at. So you'll know if you've been for a tour of the Oxford factory yourself, or you've watched my video on a tour of the Oxford factory, that there is a museum inside as well that you can go into, and you could do that while you were here at the Pistonheads Sunday service. And it's just got a few mini special editions, either cars that Mini own or they've borrowed from someone else.